Sit on the saddle, put your feet on the pedals and push. Make the wheels go round, feel your tires on the ground go whoosh. Whoops, maybe I forgot to tell you.
This is our amazing bike. It has got an umbrella to protect from the rain. It has got two wheels to move the bike and a light to see in the dark. It has got brakes to stop the bike and a chain to move the wheels. Apart from that, it has got two pedals to move the chain. It has got a saddle to sit there and to be comfortable.
It's beautiful and necessary. It is for racing in the rain. It's made of plastic and metal and we like a lot. The bike is very clean.
It's the best!
This is an amazing, fantastic and new bike. It has got two saddles to sit on the bike. It has got four pedals to move the bike and two chains to go straight. It has got two baskets to carry the books and a bottle to drink water. Apart from that, it has got a
Kickstand to keep the bike up. It has got four brakes to stop the bike and to have no accident. It is blue and red. It's used for riding with your friends. It's made of metal and we enjoy it a lot. The bike is for the weekend because it is to two people. It's the best! Orange Superbike.
It has got the light to see in the dark. It has got the brake to stop the bike and the pedals to move the wheels. It has got the handlebars to direct the bike and the wheels to move the bike. Apart from that, it has got the saddle to sit on the bike. It has got the basket to carry things on the bike and to carry a wheel.
It is big and red. It is used for going to school. It's made of metal and plastic. And well, the bike is very clean because it's used my bike to going to school. In the best!
This is a fantastic new bike. It has got two wheels to move the bike. It has got pedals to move the chain and a saddle to sit on. It has got a chain, two pedals, and a handlebars to direct the bike. Apart from that, it has got gears to help you go up the hill. It has got a bell to warning other cyclists and pedestrians. It has got a basket to carry the dog. It's pink, purple and green. It's just ready for the man's space. It mod metal and plastic. I love it. It is the best.
This is for Amazon fantastic new bike.
It has got brakes to stop the bike.
It has got pedals to move the chain
and a saddle to sit on. It has got a handlebar to direct the bike and a loop to protect the bike. Apart from that, it has got a basket on the handlebar to carry my books. It has got chain to move the wheels and to make the ride easier. The bike is yellow and big. It's used for going to school with books. It's made of plastic and we think it's okay. The bike is very clean because it doesn't pollute. It's the best!
This is our fantastic and new bike. It has got 2 wheels to move the bike. It has got a saddle to sit on the bike and a light to see in the dark. It has got 2 pedals to move the chain and a lock to protect the bike. Apart from that, it has got a basket to carry books. It has got a chain to move wheels and to move the spokes.
It's black and brown. It's used to going through the mountain. It's made of metal and we love the bike. The bike is big because it's going to the mountain. It's the best.
This is our fantastic bike. It has got a light to see in the dark. It has got a saddle to sit down on and handlebars to direct the bike. It has got a brakes to stop the bike and 2 pedals to move the chain. Apart from that, it has got a basket to carry my weight.
In the medium, a color to food horse. Bike is good.
It's the best.
This is our fantastic new bike. It has got 2 wheels to move the bike. It has got a saddle to sit on the bike and a kickstand to keep the bike up. It has got a basket to carry books and a brakes to stop the bike. Apart from that, it has got light to see in the dark. It has got 2 pedals to move the wheels and to go home. It is amazing and beautiful. It's used for carrying books. It's made of plastic and metal, and we like it. The bike is amazing. It's the best. This is our fantastic bike. It has light to see in the dark. It has 2 saddles to sit down and 2 pedals to move the bike. It has 1 box to carry the dog and a chain to move the pedals. Apart from that, it has got a handlebar to put your hands. It has got a basket to put the food and to put the rod. It is blue and green. It is used for driving to school. It's made of metal and plastic and very light. The bike is very new and not because it's very fast and modern. It's the best. This is amazing new bike. It has got brakes to stop the bike. It has got a light to see in the dark and pedals to move the wheels. It has got a saddle to sit on a handlebar to direct the bike. Apart from that, it has got 2 wheels to move the bike. It has got trolley to carry your dog and your cat. It's purple and green. It's used for going to school. In bike comfortable and to move the wheels. It is black and red. It's made of metal and plastic. Our thing is fantastic. It's easy for going to the city. It is the best!
This is our amazing bike. It has got two wheels to move the bike. It has got a saddle to sit down and a handlebar to direct the bike. It has got brakes to stop the bike and two pedals to move the chain. Apart of that, it has got a basket to carry my dog.
It has got a basket at the back to put my books and to read when I go to the mountain. It's big and red. It's used for trying to school with my dog. It's made of metal and plastic. I like it a lot. The bike is very clean, healthy and cheap because I ride my bike to go to school. It's the best.